Hello everybody, this is a short course on calculus, and in particular we will solve some problems, some questions, some exercises on calculus. You can see some examples here. We will solve some derivatives, so we will apply the rules of calculus. I will not delve into the theory. Here I will just solve step by step some exercises that you can see, for example the derivative of this function, the derivative of this function here. We will also use the concept of derivative to find the normal to a curve. Then we will calculate some limits, and we will plot some functions, as you can see. And also we will use some theorem in integral calculus. You can see that we will solve some definite integrals, and also we will calculate some areas, but also some volumes of revolution. And also we'll calculate step by step some indefinite integrals. So this is more or less what we are going to do. We are going to do some exercises related to calculus without recalling the theory. So you should know something about calculus to understand fully the solutions that I present here, of course, because I'm just going to use the theory without recalling anything. So if you are a high school student or also a university student and you want to take exams related to calculus, this is the course that could help you understand how to tackle problems quickly and solve them, of course. So that's the point. I hope you will get something out of this short course, and do your best. See ya.